Here in this video I'll show you how to create custom blog page using only Elementor Pro and some free plugins. If you can see that this is a custom blog, this is the default blog page. As usual, after installing in template or WordPress theme, you can just download. This is the blog theme, blogs template. You can just see it, and then after install, just making the custom blog page. You can see this is just type like hover, or this is the box shadow, and this is just image, and then this is just a title. If you just click on this any image or title everywhere, now just click on this any image, so you can see this is just amazing looking, just a blog which just came. So in this video I'll show you how to create it also from free and also from Elementor Pro. So in this video I'll show you the both in the paid version and the free version. So let's start the video. Welcome back to a brand new video. I am Soma from DCreato Academy. So let me show you the plugin, the free plugin, and also then I'll show you how to make it also in Elementor Pro. At first just click on this hover over on plugins, and then I'm just go to the add new, click with it in open the link tab. So I'm click on the new tab and then click on just edit just Elementor. So after searching Elementor, you can see this is the premium add-ons for Elementor. The plugin is here, so you have to install it and activate it. I'm already installed it and I'm just activating also. That's why I just disable this activate button, it is showing. So you have to install it and activate it. This is the plugin we have. After this, after installing this plugin, we will just make the custom blog page. To make custom blog page, just I'm go to the page section and hover over on page and click on add new. So I'm making a new page. So I'm just adding a new page. After loading this page, here is the title. So if I'm just writing custom blog page, if I'm just writing custom blog page and choosing, this is the layout. You can see this is the theme layout. So now let me show you the theme I'm just using, so you can also get better idea. So you can see this is the Zacra theme I'm using. You can also use any theme as your choice, as your wish, but I'll show you in this video. This is custom blog page. That's it. That's why it is no effect with using any theme or something plugins or extra things. So you have to choose anything. I'm just showing you this is Zacra theme. That's why it is just showing this page settings and theme settings. It is just showing. So you can see this is the remove content margin and sidebar. So this is a sidebar also on. So you can see this is the layout. So I'm just choosing this layout. I don't want to use the sidebar, so that's why I'm just using this layout. Also you can use this layout. So at first just I'm clicking this full layout and then just click on publish and again click on publish. So this is a view page. I'm click on the view page and click on edit Elementor. So after installing the edit Elementor, at first just I'm show you how to create custom blog page using only free plugins. So just click on this plus icon and then selecting one page, then you click on the plus icon again. I'm just selecting three dot icon and then go to the advanced tab, and then padding will be like top will be 50 pixel and the bottom will be like 50 pixel, and then click on the plus icon. If you search for blog, so you can see this is the PA, means the premium add-ons, which I'm installing this from the plugin. So this is the plugin is just showing here. So this is a premium blog plugin. Then you have to install it and just drag and drop it here. So after drag and drop it, your all post will be automatically shown in this area. So this is the free version. You have to just install it. Now you can customize it everywhere as you wish, anything. So if you just click on this modern, then you can see this is the card over effect is just came. You just the decreasing and increasing this, so you can see this is the card. This is the card over the image is just showing. Then you can change the idea from also here. This is the cards, and then also this is the on side. You can see this is side by side is just came. So I'm just, if you just click on this two columns, so this is side by side and this is the banner also. You can see this is the banner is also came. So I'm just choosing any classic. That's it. I'm choosing any classic though. Just click on the feature image and you can see this is the features image will be zoom out and zoom in everything. You can just do it. So if I'm just click on this, and then you can also change the thumbnails or height, everything you can change it. So this is the display option also. You can the space row space, this is the space, so you can see this is the gap is here. So and this is the columns gap, you can also do it from here. And then this is the alignment. So you just click on the center, it will all center will be, text will be come from center. So just click on this style button, and then you can also change the overlay color. If I'm just writing, you can see here this is the zoom effect will come. So this is just how this is the content, and then click on just this is the display option, this is the feature image. So you can see this is the zoom in effect. So if I'm just click on the scale, you can see after hovering, so it will just come from like scale or everything. And if I'm just writing blur, if I'm just hovering, so you can see this blur is just happening. So now I'm writing only the zoom effect as usual default, and then click on the style tab, and then click on the text, and then I'm just go to the hover color. So you can also change the color from here. If I'm just writing this is the black color, so it is the black color is just happening. And then the typography will be, so I'm just writing any typography, like I'm writing Poppins typography, so it will just showing or popping typography. And then the text description also it is already showing, and this is the metadata. So metadata means this is the profile, and this is the date, and this is the category, and the comments it is showing here. That's so this is the metadata. You can also change the typography of the metadata from here. If I'm just writing Poppins again, so you can see this is the just fonts and everything is just changed. And this is the separator color, means separator, this is the separator, this is the separator, like this is the point shade separator, that's why. And this is the content box. Also you can or add the border radius or something. If I'm just writing box shadow, so you can see this is the box shadow is just here. So I'm just giving it to like this, everything I'm just doing nothing, so it is just as usual. And then you can also choose anything. If I'm just writing this the box, so just click on this, then you can choose the borders from here. So if I'm writing 50 pixel 15 pixel borders, so it is just happening. And padding will be writing 20 pixel, then you can see this is 20 pixel padding is just here. So I'm writing nothing, and then just update it. After updating, I'm just click on this, and then if I'm just loading this page, so you can see this is the page that looks like in the premium add-ons. You can also you can like that. And if you want to add the sidebar, if you want to add the sidebar in the default page, so you can do that by just backing this. So you can see this is them just backing. So after getting the back, so after getting this, then you can see this is the full customizer, and this is the sidebar, and this is also this is the right sidebar, and this is the left sidebar. Also you can just choose it. I'm just creating this right sidebar, also I'm just creating left sidebar. So I'm just updating this, and then I'm just go to the page, and it loading this page. After loading, then you can see this is the left side it just came, and with blog post. So you can do that also. So in this video, just in this case, I'm just showing you how to just do it with premium add-ons, means the Elementor free version. I'm just showing you. If I'm just showing you, this is the digital Elementor. So here you can see this is I'm nothing use the in the Elementor Pro. I just only use the Elementor free, and this is the premium add-ons also. So now I'll show you how to create it with Elementor Pro version. So if you have Elementor Pro, so you'll get lots of features without installing any plugin. You will get lots of features. So I'm just deleting this. So I'm just deleting this, and then just update it. After updating, so I'm just loading this page again. Then you can see this is just nothing, and this is sidebar is just come. So now if you just click on this plus icon, selecting one structure, then click on this, and then click on the advanced tab, and then just click on bind this padding, and top will be like 50 pixel, bottom will be 50 pixel again. And now if I just click on this plus button, and then in the Elementor Pro, here is the features like to just show the blog post, like post. If I'm just writing post, here you can see this is the archive post. The post is just came. If I'm just drag and drop the archive post, here you can see this is the custom blog page, and this is the post is just here. So I'm deleting it and writing a name, just post page, blog post page. So this is the post. You have to just you can just drag and drop it here. If I'm just writing drag and drop it here, then you can see this is the just drag, this is the blog page is just come. So now if I'm just writing left image position, this is I'm writing left and image width like this. So if I'm writing image width like this, and then if I'm just writing columns will be 1, then you can see this is the columns, and this is the image, and everything is just come. If I'm just writing like this, 45 pixel is just fine. And then now if I'm just go to the style tab, and then this is the box. So this is the padding. If I'm just writing 15 pixel padding, then you can see this is 15 pixel padding here, but I don't wanna this applied 15 pixel. I'm just giving it to 20 pixel. And this is the content padding also. If I'm just writing 15 pixel, now you can see. So I'm just writing 10. Nothing to change, because I already gave the padding with 20 pixels. So borders will be like I'm just giving the borders, so it will not showing borders because I'm just not giving the box shadow. If I'm just writing box shadow or border, so you will see the border radius. So I'm just writing box shadow, then you can see the border radius will be shown. So I'm just writing the borders from like only 5 pixel. 5 pixel is just fine. And then this is a box shadow, so go to the color, and then I'm just writing 0.1. You can also use the hexacode. I'm just writing 0.1, and then it's a vertical, so I'm just writing like this 10. I'm just writing 10, and the blur will be like this 25 pixel. Fine, now it is fine. So now go to this. You can see this is the just text color and everything. You can also change the text color and everything. I'm just go to the image, and it is also here is the also border radius. You can choose the border radius, so I'm just keeping it to 5, and then go to the content setting, and this is the text color. So you can choose the text color from here. If I'm just writing text color, writing like black, you can see this is the like black color is just done. And then typography also, I'm just writing typography from Poppins. So you can see this is the Poppins typography just here. And then this is the metadata also. I already show you this is the metadata. This is the text, and this is the just page, no comments and everything, date. It is the metadata. So you can also change the metadata color also, typography also. So if I'm just trying to change the typography of metadata, so you can see the top Poppins metadata is just came. And also this the comment is just here, already it's done. So now if you change the read more, this is the read more button. So if you change the read more color button or everything, so just click on this, and if this is the brand color, so I'm just copying the brand color. I'm using HTML color picker, quick HTML color picker. This is the quick HTML color picker. You can see here. You can also go to the search on Google and download and install it. It is just easy process. So I'm just copying the color from here and just paste it. So this is the brand color I want to choose here. So I'm just go to the typography, and then again if I'm just searching for Poppins, so then just Poppins, and then if I'm just increasing the size from here, this is so small looking. I'm just giving it to 20 30 20 from just 14 pixel, and this is spacing. So you can also give the spacing from here. If I'm just writing spacing from like 10 pixel, it is fine. Then this is the excerpt. So I'm just also, you can also choose the time, give it the padding from here, sorry, spacing, and then you can also choose the spacing from like this from the metadata, and also choose the spacing like from tag title. So you can also change the 10. So now it is looking fine. And if I'm just closing this sidebar, and then you can see this is just looking our blog post. So if I'm just go to the back again, and then if I'm just writing update, then if I'm just reloading this page again, then you can see this is just our blog page looks like. Here's just enter your email. These are like default, and then it is the dress, and this is the all categories, images and everything. And this is the light box shadow with the border radius and this type of image border radius. And if I'm just click on this any title or image, so if you can just see, this is just everything is just happening. So you click on this, and you can see this is just happening. So please comment down, this is this blog page looks like good, or this blog page looks like good. This is the custom blog page. So this is the blog page, this is the default blog page after installing WordPress or any template. You can see this type of just blog page is just will come. So comment down below, how is the blog page look like, it is good or it is good. So if you have more questions or pressing problems or something to do it, so please comment down, I'll answer about the question. And if you want to add, just if you want that your business website or something e-commerce website, so you can also comment down from here. I'll cover the topic later. And if you download from the download Elementor Pro, so I will give the link in the description. You can download it from here and see the next one. Till then, bye bye, thanks for watching.